Hi, it's Roger from Gospel Boat. Today I show you the 21-meter landing craft passenger boat, which is built for the IZ Marine from Tanzania. It's a very big company locally. It's quite famous in the Africa regions. So we're starting from the check of the drawing and see all the structure, the details. So I have our designers here. So you can see the general arrangements from this 3D from CAD Reno 7, and you can see the design of the boat is flat bottoms with power with twin Yamaha 300 horsepower, and you can see the wheel house here is for the captain and operation from here, and all the passengers is inside of these areas, and the wrap door for the passenger on board and cargo on board. Now ask designer to show the structure of the boat. As this one is quite strong, and it's used 8 mm for the bottom, and we have the structures below the deck, which you can see is very strong. So I asked the Naviac to check the distance of each frame. This is quite important for the strength of the boat. These are the frame distance of the boat, and we're building based on the CCS classification standard. So this make sure the boat is very strong, heavy duty for the long-term use. You can see the bottom design of the boat is flounced with very small V for the waves, and on the back is more for the flat bottom. So this makes very good stability on the oceans. It's like operation barge between the coastal ports. Then you can see the front of the design. Okay, from here you see all the bottom is stopping from here. Then with the raised front bow area, this make sure when you go to the beach, so this 8 mm plate along pushing to the beach, so this no any damage to the front, and so easy for the passenger to be on board and off the boat when you have no any facility for the jetty in the Africa countries. So this is quite important. Then you can see we have the ladder from this area, steps, so good for the captain and crew climbing all the way to the wheel house. And from the real boat detail you will see there will be no any wheel house, no ladder, as this one will be removable and put on the deck for shipping to the Dar es Salaam in Tanzania. So this will be make less cubic meters when shipping to save on the shipping cost. After we see the drawing of this 21-meter boat, now behind of me is a real built boat. So this one is built for the IZ Marine from the Tanzania. It's a very big local company, quite famous for the Africa. So the whole length of this boat is 21 meters on the length, and the wide is 6 meters. And we have 2 boats. We have 1 boat there, we have 1 boat here. So it's now make ready for the delivery, and we'll be shipping to port of Dar es Salaam on 15th of January. So you can see the side of the boat is being painted on two colors. It's been on the orange color and the blue colors, all with the stickers and the name of the boat is Sea Taxi. And all the side is being painted on the quite remarkable colors, so everyone can see it's easily operation on the waters. And you can see the height of the boat. It's not very high, as this boat is designed with a very small little V on the front and the bottom with a flat. So make sure it's very stable, a lot of heavy loading capacities when you have the 120 passengers on board. So this one is multi-purpose use can be used for the passengers 120. Also can be used as cargo transfer when you remove all the seat. On the back of the boat is being powered by twin Yamaha 300 horsepower 4-stroke engines. You can see the width of the boat. The reason why we pull the two engines to be far is because more easier for the maneuverings on the oceans when you have the two engines far from each side. We put a lot of bracket on the back of the transoms and put straw 3 anoid on the back for the production of the chlorine from the salt waters. On the first boat, we already put the curtains with these lockers. It's for the weatherproof when you have the raining in the Africa. So these are very important features for these two boats. Now the staff are working finally before the boat being packed and delivered to the port. So the main feature of this boat is quite simple, as this landing craft and the passenger. So we have the big wrap door. It's good for the car, for the crew to be on board. Then you can see we have a lot of plastic seat. It's designed for loading of 120 passengers. And on the you have to see the space which is empty, and you have the space for the ladder. It's designed for the climbing to the top, and the warehouse is on the second deck. So you can have the filling of the whole space, and we have the pillars for support the roof, and loading some cargo on the deck. Then another feature is we have all the floor to be put the anti-slip. So this anti-slip paint with sand is good, no any slippery, very safety for the passengers on board.